urgent winter weather message. For the following counties in New York, Broome and Shenanigans, the National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for central Broome County, southern Shenanigans County, until 9:30 a.m. At 9:04 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over Castle Creek, or over Greater Binghamton Airport, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow.
I hear you, Allentown.
Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile.
I hear that.
Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. Locations impacted include Johnson City, Coventry, Port Dickinson, Greening, Bainbridge, Whitney Point, Afton, Lyle, Greater Binghamton Airport, and Shenango Forks. This includes the following highway exits: New York Interstate 81 between 6 and 7. Interstate 88 between 1 and 8. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. The following is an urgent winter weather message.
Okay. First snow squall warning in a while. This is the first snow squall warning since January of this year. Oh man. Imagine if we get a repeat of January. Nah, I kind of doubt it. I don't think these snow squalls will be as crazy as January, but maybe I might still get a couple. We'll see. God dang it, there's another one. It's for Broome, Delaware, and Susquehanna and Wayne. Okay, I was not expecting another one that quickly. Jesus Christ. What is it? WWF43? Okay, you're probably wondering how this 120 ended up like this. So I was trying to find another spot for WWF43 since the back hallway is very cold. And then this happened. The tiny little white thing got caught in one of the strings of the windows. So now I'm like, I can't get it out. Like what? Oh, well, this is lovely. Maybe I can do this. How do I get this out? Oh, there we go. I had to, like, press down on it and then force it out. There we go. Don't worry, the white thing is okay. That's what it got caught on. It got caught on the string. Okay, well, thank you so much, Binghamton, for surprising me like that. Thank you very much. I really needed that, Binghamton. All right. I forgot. Albany doesn't do outside office snow squall warnings.
A.M. A dangerous snow squall was located over Shenango Bridge, or near Binghamton, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
I forgot.
Hazard. intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Vestal, Johnson City, Endicott, Kirkwood, Conklin, Port Dickinson, Windsor, Greater Binghamton Airport, and Shenango Bridge. This includes the following highway exits: New York Interstate 81 between 1 and 6. Interstate 86/Route 17 between 67 North and 80. Interstate 88 between 1 and 6. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls,
The visibility may drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
The following.
Okay, so I tried to get a snow squall warning on channel 4 for Orange County, but I forgot that Albany, for some reason, does not tone out outside office snow squall warnings. Albany, why is that a thing? Why is that a thing, Albany? Please fix that, please. Please, man. Why do you not tone out outside office snow squall warnings? Just why? Why do you not do that? I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. You're probably going to issue another snow squall warning for, I'm going to guess, Delaware County. Yes, I was right! The second I say something, I get a notification for a new snow squall warning for Delaware.
The following is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties in New York, Delaware and Sullivan, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern Delaware County, Sullivan County, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 10 a.m. At 9:37 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Fish Eddy to Lake Cowixon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. Locations impacted include Rockland, Fallsburg, Monticello, Liberty, Bethel, Damascus, Neversink, South Fallsburg, Callicoon, and Shala. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 86/Route 17 between 89 and 114. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. The following.
Okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh Jesus. The second I freaking say something about Binghamton issuing a new snow squall warning for Delaware, what do I get? A notification, BGM, issue snow squall warning. Here we go again. Delaware and Sullivan. Delaware and Sullivan. Here we go again. Channel 1.
Counties in New York, Delaware, and Sullivan. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for South Central Delaware County, Sullivan County until 10:30 a.m.
My goodness.
At 10:01 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Corbett to Hartwood, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous, and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. Locations impacted include Rockland, Fallsburg, Monticello, Liberty, Neversink, South Fallsburg, Wurtsboro, Woodridge, Bloomingburg, and Jeffersonville. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 86/R17 between 92 and 114. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. The following is an
Okay, so that was a snow squall warning for Delaware and Sullivan. Okay.